In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create digital stickers to sell on Etsy. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Canva. Click the official result to open the site, then log into your account. On the left sidebar, find the plus icon to create a new design. You can begin with a blank canvas for full control, or choose a template to speed things up. If you're designing stickers, square canvases work well, and a transparent background is ideal so your stickers look clean on any background. Customize your design by adding shapes, text, icons, and illustrations. Keep styles consistent. Use a cohesive color palette and simple outlines so the stickers look like a set. For crisp prints and screens, work at a high resolution. When you're happy, download your files. For digital stickers, PNG files with transparent backgrounds are the standard. If you have multiple stickers, download them as separate PNGs and package them into a zip file. It's also helpful to include a brief PDF with usage tips for buyers, though that's optional. Next, open Etsy in another browser window or tab and make sure you're on the official site before proceeding. Log into your account. Click your profile photo and go into your account area, then head to your shop tools. From there, go to Listings and select Add a Listing. Choose Stickers as the category and continue. You'll be asked whether this is a physical item or a digital file. For digital stickers, select Digital. Specify who made it, what it is, when it was made, and how it was created, then continue. These details help Etsy place your product correctly and build buyer trust. Add a clear, keyword-rich title so buyers can find you, then upload photos and a short video showing your stickers in use. Lifestyle photos, mock-ups, and close-ups help buyers understand what they're getting. If you're selling a digital product, upload your files here. Etsy supports multiple files, and if your assets are large, compress them into a zip. Write a thorough description that explains what's included, file types, sizes, and any compatibility notes. Set your price and inventory. Under Attributes, choose details like primary color, occasion, and holiday to improve search visibility. Add relevant tags and list the materials used, even for digital items, to capture more search queries. If you're selling a physical sticker sheet, complete shipping details. For digital items, shipping settings won't apply. Set your return and exchange policy and choose whether to renew the listing automatically or manually based on your workflow. Review everything carefully, and when you're ready, click Publish. Your digital sticker listing is now live and ready for customers.